Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NOOR, Sabrina, Aqilah, BINTI, FUAD, ARIFIN, and today me and my team members will be presenting about a family Takaful products from Zurich Insurance Company. Zurich Insurance Group Ltd is a Swiss insurance company headquartered in Zurich and the country's largest insurer. As of 2021, the group is the world's 112th largest public company according to Forbes Global 2000 list, and in 2011 it ranked 94th in Interbrand's top 100 brands. Zurich Insurance Malaysia Berhad is uniquely positioned in Malaysia, where it offers a wide range of insurance and takaful solutions covering conventional products of life insurance and general insurance, as well as Sharia-compliant products of family takaful and general takaful under one single brand. Family takaful or life insurance does not mean insuring one's life, but is a financial protection for the heirs or beneficiaries of the deceased against future unexpected financial risks. Family takaful is based on the principle of mudarabah, which relies on the principles of mutual cooperation. Zurich Malaysia has designed an extensive range of Sharia-compliant family takaful products for us to choose from whichever stage of life you are at. From investment-linked family products that let you enjoy the ideal combination of family care privileges and better savings to products that allow you to fulfill your spiritual objective without worrying about your family's finances. If anything unfortunate happens to you, our plans are designed to ensure a better future for you and your family. Zurich Company also offer plans that provide coverage for total permanent disability and golden age disability. You can choose to include additional add-on options too and design a plan that meets your needs the most. When your future is financially secure, you enjoy peace of mind. Whether you have just gotten married, started a family, or purchased a new home, Zurich Company have you covered.
My name is NURULAIN, so I will explain about family Takaful product. Family Takaful product is a combination of long-term saving and protection for participant and their dependent arising from death, disability or survival. So I will explain about for your life Takaful that offered by Zurich. So I will explain about Takaful Al-Sham that offered by Zurich. Takaful Al-Sham is a guaranteed acceptance plan that provide protection from unpredictable events in life, including death, disability coverage, as well as accidental death benefit. The benefit that you will get with Takaful Al-Sham is guaranteed acceptance with hassle-free application, affordable contribution, provide financial security to your family, disability support plan, total permanent disability yearly recovery benefit, family accidental death benefit, compassionate benefit, and family care privilege. How does Takaful Al-Sham work? Zain, a married man with children, so he buy Takaful Al-Sham with a basic amount cover of 200,000 ringgit till age 18. Zain can relax with a monthly contribution of 123 ringgit. Zain applications are guaranteed acceptance and require no medical checkup. Now that Zain has Takaful Al-Sham, if he dies in an overseas accident, his family will receive 600,000 ringgit. If Zain becomes totally disabled, he will receive 5% per year for 5 years as a total permanent disability recovery benefit. Zain's family will receive 10,000 ringgit if his wife or children pass away in an accident. Finally, the family care privilege allow his wife and children to enroll in a new Zurich plan if Zain pass away. Next, Takaful Pro Essential is a family Takaful plan that offers comprehensive financial security upon death, total and permanent disability, and golden age disability. Takaful Pro Essential also offers death benefit. Takaful Pro Essential provide your loved ones 100% of basic sum cover and participant investment account value upon death. Zurich total and permanent disability covers you up to age 75 and golden age disability cover you for 5 more years up to age 18. Our family care privilege allow up to 4 legal spouses or children to join a Zurich family Takaful plan with coverage without medical underwriting. Flexible coverage period lets you choose a 20 years, 30 years, 40 years or 80 years period. Finally, increased coverage. Zurich Takaful product can be extended 60 days after maturity without health evidence. Why should I choose Takaful Presidential by Zurich? That or permanent disability could interrupt your peaceful life and put your family in financial peril. If you die or become permanently disabled, Zurich Takaful Presidential has many benefits will protect your family financially. It offers flexible coverage terms and a simple coverage extension process. This base package includes these advantages, but you can add them to complete your H pilgrimage. So lastly, I will explain about the Takaful Term 18 that offered by Zurich. Zurich Family Takaful Term 18 is a flexible and regular contribution plan based on Sharia ideals that has been specially designed to provide financial protection to your family during the peace of mind you deserve. Takaful Term 18 offers a guaranteed coverage on death and total and permanent disability up to age 18. It also prioritizes pure protection and steady contribution until maturity. Finally, flexible terms of coverage include terms for 5 years to 80 years. Participant investment accounts are paid at plan maturity. Why should I choose the Takaful Terms 18 plan? It gives 24 hours protection with worldwide coverage. It has an affordable and level contribution until maturity. It provides guaranteed coverage until the age of 80. It has flexible payment channel, cash, check, credit card, easy contribution payment, auto debit, over the counter, internet banking, and e-payment facility. It can provide financial security to your family. And lastly, the contribution made may qualify for a personal tax relief maximum up to 6,000 ringgit a year.
Now, I will explain about the investment-linked takaful product. An investment-linked takaful product is a type of Islamic insurance policy that combines elements of both protection and investment. It is designed to provide a financial protection to the policyholder and their beneficiaries in the event of death or disability, while also offering the potential for investment growth. In Zurich Takaful, there are offered several product or Takaful plan to the potential customer, which is Takaful Pro Invest, Takaful Single Invest, and Executive 2.0. Now, let's see one by one of the products offered. Firstly, Zurich Takaful are offered Takaful Pro Invest, in which designed to overcome life financial uncertainties as well as optimize the customer investment return. The investment that are involved in this product are worked under Sharia approved investment funds, which is managed by the professional with the aim of delivering attractive returns in local and foreign funds. There are several benefits that our Takaful Pro Invest provide. The first one is high protection and accident indemnity benefits with up to 300% of basic sum covered. As you can see, from the debt situation, 100% of basic sum covered plus with the participant investment account, which is PIA, value will be payable to the policyholder. And then, balik kampung accidental death, they are covered until 200% plus PIA value will be payable, but it must be in the event of death of the person covered within 365 days from the date of the accident, and it up to 75 years old. Next, overseas accidental death. In the event of the death of the person covered within 365 days from the date of accidents while travelling overseas for not more than 90 consecutive days per trip. The second point is disability coverage. Takaful Pro Invest provide a total and permanent disability, which is TPD, support up to age 75 years old, and Golden Age Disability, which is GAD, will provide you an additional disability cover-up to age 100. In the event of TPD or GAD, and if such disability persists for at least 6 months, 100% of basic sum covered and PIA value will be payable to the policyholder. The third point is family care privilege. Takaful Pro Invest provide a protection of customer legal spouse and children with the coverage amount of up to 25% basic sum covered without a medical underwriting, which is subject to a maximum of 300,000 per life. The last benefit is flexibility that suits with the customer needs. The product provides a multiple choice of the customer preferred coverage term ranging from 20 or 30 years or up to age 70, 80 or 100. Furthermore, customer coverage term will be auto-extended up to age 100 upon the expiry of the initial coverage term, which is 20 or 30 years or up to age 70 or 80 without a medical underwriting. So, how Takaful Pro Invest works? Let's see. I will give the summary on how the product works. For example here, Adam has registered Takaful Pro Invest plan with the basic sum covered 200,000 with the coverage term up to age 80. Also, he planned to take a family benefit rider, which means if the spouse or children has died, they will receive 2,000 each person. In this plan, Adam was covered the total and permanent disability, which is TPD, and golden age disability, which is GAD. If Adam died while traveling, his family will receive 300% of basic sum covered, which is 600,000 based on the benefit I mentioned earlier. If Adam were to experience total and permanent disability, which is TPD, or golden age disability, which is GAD, he and his family will receive 200,000. Adam is also covered with the accidental indemnity benefit with a maximum of 100,000 with several factors and conditions, such as in the event occur, must be within 365 days and must be before age 75 years old. Now, we move to the next Takaful plan, which is Takaful Link Single Invest. A single investment link plan, by nature, Takaful Single Invest Plan is ideal for those with a medium to long-term financial objective. This plan allows the policyholder to pool their money with the other investors, so that all the participants benefit from the fund management expertise of the seasoned fund managers. The fund managers will then channel these funds to be invested in a various investment portfolio selected by the customer in accordance with their investment objective and risk. This plan operates under Wakalah principle, where Takaful operator act as an agent to the participant for managing the operation of the Takaful business. A Wakalah fee will be charged upfront from the contribution made. For initial contribution below 1 million, the fee will be charged 5%, and 1 million and above will be charged 4.75%. Plus service fee is 125 ringgit for initial contribution and top-up contributions. Surplus sharing, if any, at the end of each financial year will be shared between the participant and Zurich Takaful based on the ratio that agreed by both parties. Also, Takaful Link Single Invest provides assistance in times of need. It provides the customer with a guaranteed date and total and permanent disability, which is TPD benefit, upon date of the participant before the expiry of the certificate term. The greater of the sum covered or PIA fund value becomes payable. Next, upon the maturity, The customer will receive the full value of investment value in the PIA based on the current unit price at the end of the maturity. Then, it is easy withdrawals. The minimum amount you can draw with is 500 and the minimum investment balance must be 5,000 maintained in PIA fund. Lastly, policyholder can top up anytime with a minimum 500 ringgit.
3 medical plan under Zurich. First is MediAfia, second MediPro, and third one is Cancer Care. MediAfia. MediAfia is an addition that may be added to some standard family Takaful plans that offers medical coverage up to age 80. There are 5 features for MediAfia. First is comprehensive medical coverage. Your worries have been resolved by MediAfia's extensive coverage, which covers everything from pre-hospitalization diagnostic testing to post-hospitalization treatments, as well as outpatient benefit like cancer and dialysis treatments. Second, annual protection of up to 350,000 with no lifetime limit. For your peace of mind, this medical rider comes with no lifetime limit. Even better, until the age of 80, the plan will be renewed. Third is covering you in time of need. If an accident sends you to the hospital, the Takaful will be waived, so you may concentrate on getting well. Fourth, government hospital benefit. If you are admitted to a government or semi-government hospital, you will pay no Takaful. Additionally, you will be given a daily cash allowance of up to 280 ringgit for admission to a government hospital. 5. Hassle-free hospital admission. The convenience of cashless hospitalization is offered by MediAfia. When you present your medical card at any of the hospital on our panel, you are then eligible for a quick admission. Next, as we can see here, there are the schedule of benefits plan for MediAfia. We got 2 types of plans. First is plan 180 and the second one is plan 280. Let's analyze 2 different people in 2 different situations. Scenario 1. Rina is the person in hospitalization for surgery and 5 days in hospital and using MediAfia plan 280. As we can see here, in government hospital, Takaful will be waived and a total of 1,400 ringgit will be provided as daily cash allowance since Rina is being treated at a government hospital. While in private hospital, the final Takaful total Rina would be responsible for paying 1,000 ringgit since 10% of Takaful payment exceed the maximum amount due for Takaful. Scenario 2. Rahman is the person in hospitalizations due to accident by using MediAfia plan 180. In private hospital, due to an accident that led to Rahman's hospitalization, MediAfia will waive the Takaful and pay the entire medical expenses. Cancer Care. Cancer Care is a medical plan that provides lump sum benefit payments if the person covered is diagnosed with invasive cancer, gender-specific invasive cancer, which is GSC, or carcinoma in situ, which is CIS. In addition, we also provide a hassle-free claim for funeral expenses. Benefit in cancer care is divided by 2 categories. First is for cancer benefit and the second one is funeral expenses. In cancer benefits have 5 benefits. First, open the INS of CIS. Payable only for CIS for gender-specific cancer. 25% of cancer sum cover is payable. However, any claims made under this benefit shall reduce the cancer sum covered accordingly. 25% of cancer sum cover or 5,000 ringgit, whichever is lower, will be payable according to the chosen plan. Second, open diagnosis of invasive cancer. The remaining of 75% of cancer sum cover after payment of CIS benefit is payable. If diagnosed cancer is under gender-specific cancer, which is GSC, additional 25% of cancer sum cover is payable. Third is maximum cancer coverage. 125% of cancer sum covered, which is 100% of cancer sum covered if there is no claim on CIS benefit, and additional 25% of cancer sum covered is diagnosed with GSC. Fourth, cancer sum cover amount depends on plan type. And the last one, the certificate shall terminate upon full payment of cancer benefit. For funeral expenses, 10,000 ringgit will be payable upon deaths due to all causes. As you can see in this schedule, benefit of cancer care also provide 4 plans, which is bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Next, we go to the why you should choose cancer care. First, all types of cancer are covered by a comprehensive cancer plan, except for the condition listed under exclusion. Second, a special design that provides advantage for both early and late stage of cancer. Third, covers up to 500 ringgit against cancer. Fourth, if diagnosed cancer is under gender-specific cancer, which is GSC, additional 25% of cancer sum covered up to 5,000 ringgit is payable. 5. The contributions made are entitled to income tax relief in addition to your other family takaful or life insurance plans, subject to the final decision of the Island Revenue Board of Malaysia, which is IRB. 6. 50% surplus sharing to the participant if no claims are made. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is NOOR AFIZA. Okay, now I would like to talk about the current issue that related to our topic today. On May 18, 2022, Takaful Zurich launched a product that is Takaful Asham. Zurich Malaysia introduced Takaful Asham to help Malaysians put love into action. Zurich Malaysia recently introduced Zurich Takaful Asham, a guaranteed acceptance family Takaful plan to help Malaysians fulfill family's duties and gifting hibah to loved ones. The finding of the impact of pandemic on protection survey in late 2021 indicated that 54% of Malaysians who have personal protection site providing for their family as one of the reasons for obtaining personal protection. The introduction of this new plan is timely as it allows Malaysians to obtain protection more conveniently with a straightforward enrollment. This plan includes accident coverage comprising 3 elements of general accident die regardless of circumstance, public transport, and also overseas accident deaths. The extended accident death coverage for up to 4 family members in the face of misfortune is another thoughtful inclusion. Available in the best place itself without the needs of the add-ons, this help is the unpredictability of life and relieve some financial commitments. Next, I will explain about advantage of having a takaful protection. Having a takaful protection for your life can offer several benefits. Takaful is an Islamic alternative to conventional insurance that operate on the principle of mutual cooperation and shared responsibility. Here are some advantages of having takaful protection. The first one is the most popular option people choose while having takaful product is family takaful. In other words, it can be said today family's takaful is a must need for every person having a family or children. It is a safety needs for your family's member which secure their future in the event of premature death. Family Takaful is an expression of love and caring. It's a tool that protect your spouse and children from the potentially devastating financial losses that can result in if you die early. You should seriously think to buy a life insurance policy if you work in the dangerous of high-risk environment. For example, Zurich introduced us with their new product, which is Takaful Asham. This Takaful product will ease your family's financial liability that may arise in the event of unfortunate accidents such as general accident and overseas accident. All of these events is covered under Takaful Asham. Second is cover up your healthcare costs. No one wants to fall ill, but disease are those unwelcome guests which are always in search of change. Once they get control over you, you are forced to hand over your hand-earned money to the doctor and hospital. Healthcare facilities are the costly in the Malaysia, and if you don't have a proper health insurance policy, you are surely going to invite financial trouble for the rest of your life. Health Takaful product is a really necessary, and it is just like a small risk safety amount you are paying for any worse it happen in your future. Zurich Takaful company also offer coverage for your health, which is Mediafia, Midi Pro, and also Cancer Care. These three types of the product can help ease your burden to cover your all expenses when you or your family's member are sick. Other than that, the advantage of having Takaful product is grant a great peace of mind. The most important things that Takaful company will provide you with is peace of mind. You will have the satisfaction that if some uncertainty ever befall you or your family, there are always the insurance that will save you from such mishappenings. The cover product is a way to minimize risks. Most people are risk averse and hence prefer to maximize and altogether avoid risk. The impact of an unexpected blow will be cushioned by the insurance policy, and thus it help in the smooth functioning of society by giving peace of mind to the citizen, and they can concentrate on their important tasks without worrying too much about various risks. The last one is help in encouragement of saving. Insurance not only provide protection against risk but also a number of others incentives which encourage people to insure. This Takaful company encourage saving by reducing your expenses in the long run. For example, Zurich has the product that is a limited short-term contribution protection and saving plan that offer long-term benefit for over 16 years. It called as a Takaful Mumtaz. The process to apply for Takaful Mumtaz is also hassle-free as there is no requirement for medical examination or likely health questionnaire. As a result, your application will be accepted when you decide to participate in it. Additionally, Takaful Mumtaz offer financial protection against ultimately demise and or total and permanent disable TPD2. Next, I pass to the next presenter.
As a conclusion, Takaful family is for the well-being of your family's future. It can protect you and your loved ones from the burden of death so that they can carry on living life the way you aspire them to. Family Takaful provides you with a protection and long-term savings. You or your beneficiary will be provided with financial benefits if you suffer a tragedy. Takaful family protects your family's financial future. If one or more family members pass away, the payout may be utilized by the survivors. That's all from us. Thank you.